everybody, it's Bill. Fighting off a little cold here. Sorry for the goofy voice. Here's the weekly wrap-up for the week of September the 12th. Only took 2 trades. The week was generally up, and took 2 longs. One on Tuesday, ALTR, which we hung on to for 3 days and got 2.25 points out of, so that was a nice trade. And the other trade was CMA on Wednesday, which we hung on to for 2 days and ended up getting a little over a point out of. So both decent profits out of those trades. Worked out pretty well. All right, now let's look at the overall marketplace, starting with the futures market. British pound is in a downtrend. It's pretty extended. The rubber band is stretched pretty far here beyond the lower Keltner channel, so keep your eyes peeled for a spring back in the other direction here. The euro has already started to spring back. It has gone from its low back to the lower Keltner channel, so it will either fly right through here and start heading up towards the other bands, or it will bounce off of this and retest the lows again. The yen is asleep. It's in the dead zone. It's been there a long time, so we're just going to ignore that for now until that comes back alive. The S&P has just broken out of the dead zone. You'll notice it broke out here once near the bottom, and now it's breaking out near the top. So it'll be interesting to see what direction it goes. The momentum is up. The tidal wave is up. So that would be my tendency right now, but we'll see what it does. I've been fooled before. The Russell also has broken out of the dead zone. Looks like to the upside, but you got conflicting signals here. You've got momentum to the upside, but you got a tidal wave down signal, so that ought to be interesting. The Dow is still in the dead zone. It's probably going to follow the other two when they decide which way they're going to go. Gold in the dead zone, so we won't worry about that for now. Same with silver in the dead zone, so those are both asleep. If we look at the crazy eights, Google has started to work its way back to the upside. Baidu kind of sideways, but in the upper Keltner channel. Momentum is to the upside on that. Netflix is getting hammered with the new subscription plan, losing a lot of subscribers. You can see really hard slam down to the downside, both with the tidal wave and momentum. So probably more of the same on that one. Apple's kind of the opposite. Momentum is to the upside. It's actually burst above the upper Keltner channel. Tidal wave is to the upside. See how far it can go. The rubber band's a little stretched there, so be careful. And RIM just got clobbered with the earnings. They gapped way down. So not doing so hot there. Cisco slowed up to sideways, and Oracle looks like they got an announcement here on the 20th of earnings, so that's creeping to the upside. You know, buy the rumor, sell the news deal there. So keep agile, my friends. And then Amazon just absolutely blasted off into outer space here on Friday, so it'll be interesting to see how that behaves going into the week as well. As far as our picks for Monday are concerned, your long pick is going to be MDT, Matthew David Thomas. I am going to set my stop at the low of Friday's bar and set my profit target for the upper Keltner channel. The short for Monday is going to be ACI, Apple, Cat, Indigo. I'm going to set my stop at Friday's bar's high and set my profit target for actually the lower Keltner channel because we're pretty close to the middle one. So we'll see how that all works out. That's your wrap up. Hope you had a good weekend, and looking forward to trading with you during the week. See you later. Bye.